Hello everyone, I'm S. Kaushik from Padima Engineering College. I'm given the use case of claim management system, and this is the home page of it. So this is the first landing section. After that comes the partner section. After that the features of the page. After that the testimonials and the footer section. So let us log in now. So there are three actors in this. First one is admin, second one is agent, and third one is the client. There are two places here. One is register and one is login. So let us log in with the admin credentials first. So admin can view, have all the privileges in this application. So he can insert, update, delete, filter, claim details, filter or fetch all claims, bulk upload, and update status. Let us do the insert claim first. So I would be uploading the claim form so that the details will be fetched, and I have to add the relation. Let me add as brother and the claim. After I add, it is inserted successfully, and I can also update this. So I'm gonna change it as father, date. Let us see here if it is updated. Yeah, it is updated to the fathers. So let us now delete this. Click delete, it is deleted successfully. So it is not viewed here, so it is deleted. Now let's see how the bulk upload works. First, after upload the Excel file with the details of the claims. So let me upload. In this file there are three claim details. So it this will read the Excel and as well as add them in the all the claim list. So here Vishwa, Bharti and Shiva are added through the bulk upload. So now I have to change the status of the particular Shiva names. So I have to update it through the claim ID and change it to approved. Now the status is approved. So after that the download report generates Excel with these present claim details. Like we can also view it. 1 second. This is how the report works, and this is how it will be generated. So after that we can also view any proof of it. Yeah, so this is how it works. Let us now log in through agent. Here Keshav is the agent. Yeah, it's working here. So now let us see what he can do. He can do insert, update, delete, filter, claim detail, fetch all, and bulk upload. So the details that are added in the admin can be seen through agent. So now let us log in through a client here. Kaushik is a client here. So he can log in, and he can only insert, update, delete, filter, and claim details. If he tries to do something else other than, like, if he tries to see the claim list, it will be redirected to the login page. This is done through the help of auth guards in Angular. Thank you.